Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by establishing essential prerequisites: operating systems, networking, command line, and one language like Python. Once done, create an isolated lab with virtual machines and snapshots so experiments can't harm your main system. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication for accounts you use. Then define a learning plan, 30 to 60 minutes daily with clear goals and a progress log. This early structure reduces confusion and keeps momentum. It also makes later hands-on practice far more effective. Now you focus on deliberate hands-on practice. Build vulnerable systems, exploit them, and then patch what you broke. Once done, apply capture the flag challenges and 1 or 2 vulnerable VMs per week to reinforce techniques. Learn core topic areas: web security, cryptography basics, digital forensics, and the pentest workflow, because they interlock. Make sure to master key tools like Wireshark, Burp Suite, Metasploit, and Nmap, and automate repetitive tasks with scripts so you scale your learning efficiently. To finish, consolidate learning with certifications and a portfolio that proves you can do the work. Pursue relevant certs, Security Plus for fundamentals or OSC for hands-on offensive skills, and align study to their practical objectives. Make sure to document everything: reports, CTF walkthroughs, Git repos, and short demo videos. If you hit a roadblock, isolate the issue, roll back a VM snapshot, and ask focused questions with logs attached. This methodical closeout turns skills into hireable evidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.